Alright, we are going to solve this interesting equation, but where should we start the solution? Left hand side top, we have m times m times m times m. It can be written in the form of m to the power of 4. But how? Look, this is m to the power of 1, 1, 1, 1. Same base, write a base and simply add exponent. And bottom, what do we have? M plus m plus m plus m, which means 4m. But how? Look, 1m, 2, 3, 4. So I write here 4m equals, right hand side we have 16. Now let me cover this 4. So what do we have? We have m cubed over m. Again, same base. I write a base and simply 4 minus this 1, it is going to be m cubed. Nice. So I write here on top m cubed over, do not forget to write this 4, over 4 equals 16. Now 16 can be written in the form of 16 over 1. So I'm going to use cross products. So 1 times m cubed is going to be m cubed. Next, 4 times 16, right hand side 64. Now move this 64 to the left hand side. It is going to be m cubed minus 64 equals 0. Now continue the solution by working on this number, which means 64. Fortunately, this is a nice number. It can be written in the form of 4 cubed, right? So m cubed minus 4 cubed equals 0. All you know how to continue the solution. A cubed minus b cubed. What is this? A minus b times first term squared plus the product of the first term and second term plus second term. So I'm going to follow this structure to continue the solution. Let me write it here. M cubed minus 4 cubed. So I write it m minus 4 times next first term squared. So m squared plus product of the first term and second term for m plus second term squared equals 0. Good step. Remember, if the product of two factors is 0, at least one of them must be 0. So I write m minus 4 equals 0, or m cubed m squared plus 4m plus 4 squared equals 0. Now, m minus 4 equals 0. What is the value of m? From here, m simply is going to be 4. This is our first answer. What is this? This is exactly m squared plus 4m plus 4 squared is 16 equals 0. A quadratic equation. To solve this, we can use quadratic formula. Can you remember quadratic formula? Right, x is negative b. Positive negative second root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, in this case, we are going to find m. So, negative b, negative 4, positive negative second root of b squared. So, 4 to the power of 2 minus 4. What is a? The coefficient of m squared, 1. C, constant term, 16 over 2a. A is 1. So m is going to be, I write this negative 4, positive negative second root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 16 is 64 over 2 times 1 is 2. So from this, the value of m, negative 4, positive negative 16 minus 64 is second root of negative 48 over 2. Now, To continue the solution, I'm going to work on this number, which means negative 48. It can be written in the form of 16 times 3 times negative 1, right? So let me write it here. M equals negative 4 positive negative second root of 16 times 3 times negative 1, and bottom we have 2, right? So what is this? It is exactly same as negative 4 positive negative. It can be written in the form of second root of 16 times second root of 3 times second root of negative 1 over 2. What is second root of 16? All you know, this is 4. Second root of negative 1, this is I. So I write it here, m equals negative 4 positive negative 4 second root of 3I over 2. Now, look, 2. What is the common factor between all of them? 2. So I write it in the form of 2, right? Negative 2 positive negative 2 second root of 3I over 2. These two and these two can be cancelled off. So the value of m is going to be negative 2 positive negative 2 second root of 3I. So we have three answers. M equals 4 is our real root, and we have two complex rules that are m equals negative 2 positive negative 2 second root of 3. These are our complex roots.